Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the PHP increment and decrement operator and how we can use inside a real projects. So increment decrement means means like plus plus and your variable name. After you can do like a first variable name, after you can use like a plus plus. And same thing inside decrement you can use like minus sign, minus minus and variable and minus variable minus minus. This is the like a decrement variable. But how we can use this is the main parts. So let's show you one by one, and after I can show you how we can use inside a real project. So mainly real project inside you need to do, so you need to make like a your condition work like a for loop, and after you can think I need to show like our id like 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 is like a one sr column. Okay, and suppose do you want to make like one condition, okay, greater than is equal to 5 after going, so we need to go this part, less than is equal to going, this is going to else part. But let's show you is using the example. First I will show you the like a normal example. I have already opened my index.php file, and also I have already opened like my index.php file inside like jam server, means localhost. Okay, so first of all this variable name like a $x plus plus, so just copy this variable name and I can use echo. So just you can understand only meaning about that. Suppose $x is equal to I put like 5, okay, and after I run the code, so what is the print here? So he can print like 6 because the plus plus the before sign plus plus. So I just go and check, so you can see it's 6 print. Okay, suppose you can use like later 5 5, so he can put only 5, but your looping wise going to he can print like a 6. So let's copy, means go up and you can see it like 5 prints, you can see it. Let's make a echo another time echo. Okay, so we need to print like 5 and 6 because here is going to plus, and after showing here 6, let's go and print. So you can see it like first is a print 5, after you can print 6 because the 2 time I have write. Suppose do you want to make like this, so is print like a 6, you can see it before is a 6 here and also here is a 6. Suppose you can use like plus plus before, so he can print like 6 and 7, you can see it. So it's working very well. Like a increment decrement how to work, means increment how to work, I think you can understand better way. Okay, now let's make like now is I can make minus minus, and I just remove this line, I don't want to need line, and just I go back again, refresh the page, so you can see like 4 because he can checking x minus x is equal to x minus 1, means minus minus he can minus only one value. I can told you first always minus one value. Suppose plus is doing, so only one value is doing plus. Okay, and suppose here I can make like minus minus, so is print same as a 5. So this is the like a basic funda how we can do it. Suppose do you want to make like real project inside, need to make a plus plus, so how you can do it? Suppose if I think make it first for this condition, for I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 10, and I plus plus here. Okay, so here you have a 10 record there, means here is a 0 there. Suppose do you want to print like a, here is a looping like a 1 to 10, I can show you looping first $I, and I can make br, so it's going to next line this reasons. Okay, I save these files and I just go back again and run the code, so you can see it like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, is it means looping wise print 10. Suppose do you want to make after 5 and to stop the printing, so how I can do it? 100% here you can do it, but suppose here is a you can getting the data wise, so it's impossible to do. So here we can make like $I plus plus, I can make here echo and $I, so here you can see it. Okay, and I just put like another br, and I just make it comment out. What I did here is a 0, after I make a plus plus, so let's share this screen work, and you can see it same print, you can see it like a plus plus, after I print echo this reason before is a 0 there, but after plus plus is going to 1, so it's showing the 1 2 3 4 5 10, but after 5 I don't want to do, so how I can do it? So if less than is equal to 5 means is a less than is equal to 5, so going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside, so we can make it like this query. So suppose the 5 there, so also need to go, otherwise 5 is not there, so also need to go. This is the assignment operator. I already show you last videos, I think last before video, and I can refresh the page here. So you can see it 5 6 7 8 9 10 he can printing because I use a less than. This is the condition inside real project. So do you want to make like this real project? After you need to made, okay, I just need to print after 5. Suppose you can print like less than is equal to 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 only print. You can see the rest of is going to outside, so he can't do it. So do you want to make here any code about your real project inside? So you can do it. Same thing you can do it in minus minus. Suppose here is a 10 there, and suppose do you want to use like a minus minus, and you can refresh. So you can see like 0 1 2 3 4 5. So is a minus minus wise work. So before is a 10, first he can printing like he can minusing. Let's make greater than is equal, so is better understand for you. So you can see it like 5 print, 6 print, 7 print, 8 print, 9 print, means 9 print, 8 print, 7 print, 6 print and 5 print, because we can checking I is equal to what is there before is the 9, so is 9 print. After looping work, so what is there now, is there like 8 there, so 8 printing. Suppose you can using plus plus, so you can understand better way. Suppose plus plus wise you can see it like 11 12 13, because of the here is a already there is a 10, this reason. Suppose here I can make 0, so it's working like a 5 6 7 8 9 10 is a mainly increment decrement variable. Here also there increment variable, you can see it like plus plus. Okay, mainly increment decrement variable only used for like a condition wise. Suppose do you want to make like this condition, do you want to make like a 1 to 10 number you can print, do you want to make like your first column inside a table, you need to make like 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you can use it. Mainly is the increment variable much using than decrement, but inside real projects. So this is the use for the increment decrement variable. I hope do you understand. So do you have any questions, so please comment out the, and do you want to like this video, so please like, do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.